Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. Thanks for sticking with us. We are in Goddard. We are with Nate from Wichita Homeworks. You guys already know Nate. You know him better than you probably know me. But Nate, thanks for being with us
Yeah,
today.
You bet. Thanks for coming out in the mud and
I know.
everything
I
else.
should have brought my boots. I didn't. I'll know for next time. Hey, you have a custom home built house behind us.
Yeah.
Can you talk to us a little bit what we're looking at behind us?
So it's a little bit more on the smaller scale of what we've shown before, but no matter what, we try to take it through completion just like we would a larger project. So this is a slab on grade custom home. We worked with the client directly to come up with the floor plan, and then you can see it taking shape right here.
And how does that work with the customer whenever they have maybe some needs that they would like? How easy is that for them to work with you guys?
It all comes down to if they can give us more information, the faster we can go on the design and the better we can know kind of what they're looking for. So believe it or not, we don't hesitate to request anything you find on Pinterest or online. That all helps bring a custom design together.
What are some of the advantages with a smaller house like this whenever you guys are designing it?
Sure, it goes a little bit faster. That's always the good thing. Sometimes it's a little bit hard though to kind of fit everything in, but it's a great challenge for us. So
awesome. Well, let's go check out inside and we can
good.
see what it looks like as they're building this from the inside.
The slab is poured. We've pretty much got all of the framing done. Our next steps will be to bring it to dried in, which means we have a roof on it, the permanent roof, and then also all of the window and door openings are filled with the windows and the doors. And then we'll move on, once that's taken care of, we'll move on to the trades. So we have the mechanical, electrical, and the plumbing. They'll all come through and get all their rough-in done, which is in the walls. Past that, we'll do insulation, and then we start sheetrock.
Can you talk about how many bed bath this is and also the storm shelter that comes with this house?
So this is a 2-bed, 2-bath. With it being a slab on grade, there's no basement. So you got to have some sort of storm shelter. And so what we use is a storm room or a safe room. And it's got poured concrete walls, and it doubles as the walk-in closet. So you're not wasting space on just an empty room that's only used, hopefully never, but it's still a usable space, and it's a place to go in case of a storm.
So Wichita Homeworks, they can do large, they can do
That's
small,
right.
Whatever needs someone might need, you can do it all.
Yep, our goal is to be the only phone call our customers need for anything they're looking for, small or big. So,
and if someone sees this, they'd like to get a hold of you, how can they do that?
Yeah, best way is reach out to us. Our number is 316-303-4485, or they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com.
Awesome, Nate. It's always a pleasure.
You bet. Thanks for coming out.
You're so much fun to talk to. I could sit here and talk hours about this place and the future projects they have, but thanks for your time today.
You bet. Thank you.
Hey, that's the end of today's show. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow here on Good Day Kansas.